Yo, we back. Petty Boy ENT, you know what I'm saying? I got the sophisticated look going on right now. But you know, it is what it is. March 23rd is going down. You know what I mean? We got the big 5,000 plus capacity building. You know what I'm saying? We got motherfucking shot girls hitting up the phone all crazy. We got motherfucking kegs, jungle juice,
beer pong,
you know what I'm saying? Beer
shot
pong
girls,
going on, all of it, man. Yeah, I mean, we getting calls right now like crazy for shot girls. And I just want to address something real quick. You know, females are sexy in general because they females. But a lot of y'all just missing out on the sexy part.
yeah.
You got the female down pat, but it's not sexy. Shot girls. Me as a customer, 5 shot girls come up to me, I'm picking the baddest, sexiest, one wearing nothing but some tight shit that make me just love her lady lumps and shit. Feel me? Like that's just from a nigga's point of view. So females, if y'all really serious about this, y'all can make $400 or $500 in one night. But you gotta present yourself right. You feel me? You a shot girl. You know what I mean? Do something fancy. Do something strange for a little bit of change. You know what I'm saying? Who knows? But you know, that is what that is. Shout out to the boy Apollo. You know what I mean? You know, we fucking with the boy hard. You know what I mean? On this one. You know, boy Big Al. You know what I mean? His manager. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to them. Got old really spinning once again. You know what I mean? Because he's nasty. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
That's what the boy does. He spins. He spins crazy. It's like a top. Let's go. You know what I mean? Petty Boy Entertainment is what's bringing you this fucking back. You know what I'm saying? People fail to realize that, you know, without Petty Boy, your shit is probably gonna flop. Just saying. You know, you might get 200-300 people, but you get 200-300 people coming in and out in a 5-hour span, your shit gonna look dead all night. Now you get 2,000 people, 1,000 people coming in and out in a 5-hour span, that shit gonna stay chipping. Brett. You know what I mean? So, you know, we just want y'all to understand what's really going down March 23rd. You know what I mean? We touching base on the shot girls, did that. We touching base on Apollo and Big Al, you know what I mean? And they team, you know, they doing their thing. You know what I'm saying? And then Petty Boy, we doing our thing. Beer pong gonna be crazy though. I'm telling you, I might have to leave the door for a second and hold the line just to go get a couple shots off, because my J is, you know what I'm saying? My J is ridiculous, like, you know what I'm saying? But you know, that's how we doing. Music gonna be crazy, you know what I'm saying? You know, security gonna be on deck. You know, it's just gonna be an epic, unlimited, ultimate, unlimited party. Like, this is the party you don't want to miss. You know what I'm saying? If you miss any other party, you don't want to miss this one.
Don't.
If you miss this one, niggas might smack you and be like, what the fuck is wrong with you? Are you retarded? You know what I mean? Like, it's just gonna be stupid, man. So shout out to everybody working hard on this one. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Darian, aka Break G's. Shout out to my partner right here. You know what I mean? You already know what time it is. Shout out to Petty Boy himself. You know what I mean? It is what it is.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get back at y'all. You know what I mean? Next episode we're gonna see what's going on with this Petty. But I got my phone clicking.